Before President-elect Trump takes office, there is new uncertainty over the multiple criminal charges he faces, including those allegations that he tried to overturn the 2020 election. Caitlin Huey-Burns has more on this from West Palm Beach, where the Trump transition will be headquartered and has already begun, I understand. Caitlin, good morning.
Good morning, Tony. That's right. And now we have learned that there are active discussions between the Justice Department and Special Counsel Jack Smith's office about winding down those big federal cases against the now president-elect. And at the center of those discussions is a longstanding Justice Department policy against prosecuting a sitting president and the need to enable a smooth transition to a second term in the White House for Trump. Now, remember, Trump was indicted on federal charges and pleaded not guilty in two separate cases brought by Smith last year. A reminder, the first case involved Trump's alleged mishandling of classified records found at his Florida home at Mar-a-Lago, not too far away from where I'm standing. It was dismissed in July, though Smith, the special counsel, had appealed that decision. And that second case stemmed from Trump's alleged efforts to subvert the transfer of power after the 2020 presidential election. And that trial was delayed numerous times, had numerous appeals. And Trump has repeatedly attacked Jack Smith, the special counsel, and on the campaign trail, he had pledged to fire him if elected.
So that's the legal situation. How about preparing for the next administration? What is Trump doing?
Yeah, people are already at work. As we mentioned, the Trump transition team will be headquartered here in West Palm Beach, and they are already at work. This team is being led by Linda McMahon, the former CEO of WWE Wrestling. She was also a member of Trump's administration last time, and also his friend, businessman Howard Lutnick, who has been traveling with the president. You'll also see some familiar names on this transition team. Trump's sons, Eric and Don Jr., are playing prominent roles here, along with Vice President-elect J.D. Vance and Robert F. Kennedy Jr. They're basically presenting Trump with lots of recommendations for his cabinet and other administration positions. Trump will approach this very differently than he did in 2016. Remember, several prominent members of his own cabinet, of his own administration, had criticized his fitness for office, and Trump had disparaged many of the people that he hired. But here's the key point, guys. When Trump goes to Washington, he's going to have a Republican majority in the Senate. They are ready and willing to confirm his picks. Tony?
They sure are. Caitlin, thank you very much.